In this video, we'll explain our laser cutting process. Before the laser out, we'll analyze the drawing by our engineers and test the metal fabrication process, separate them into small parts. Laser cutting is a thermal separation method. Kinds of material can be cut quickly and efficiently. After we place the sheet metal on the machine, starting the machine. At last we get the final product. After that we can measure it and check if it's good quality or not. The laser cutting is almost for everything. Like couch, aluminum, stainless steel, make it to different shapes.